Hello everyone. 大家好. Today I'm going to talk about a useful Chinese sentence pattern that is verbs plus 不了. Generally speaking, verbs in Chinese can be divided into two main groups. Single character verbs like 吃, 喝, and 买, and double character verbs such as 游泳, 唱歌, and 学习. This pattern indicates the action can't be performed. First case, single character transitive verbs followed by 不了. 吃 means to eat. 我吃不了苹果. I can't eat apples, maybe because my teeth have problems, and so on. 喝 means to drink something. 她喝不了牛奶. She cannot drink milk. The reason could be because of her stomach issue or some other reasons. 去 means to go somewhere. For example, 他们去不了中国. They can't go to China. It could be because they are too busy to go or don't have enough money. Now let's do single character intransitive verbs followed by 不了. For example, 做 that means to do something. 你们做不了. You can't do it. Maybe you don't have the skills or you don't have enough time. Next one, 您唱不了. You can't sing. The situation could be it's too difficult to sing or the microphone doesn't work at that time. Double character verbs followed by 不了. We assume a verb consisting of two Chinese characters A and B. When using 不了, we must split A and B and add 不了 in between. For example, 游泳. 游泳 means to swim. 他游不了泳. We just split 游 and 泳 and added 不了 in between. Maybe the pool is closed or it's too cold to swim. And next one, 开车. 开车 means to drive. In Chinese, literally means to drive a car. 我开不了车. We added 不了 between 开 and 车. I cannot drive. Maybe I'm too tired or I'm injured, and so on. 学习. 学习 means to study. For example, 这些学生学不了习. These students cannot study. The situation could be it's too noisy or the classroom is too hot. 不了 can be used right after single character transitive verb. Single character intransitive verb or double character verb, but we have to split the two characters A and B and add 不了 in between. Here there are two questions for you. Please write your answers in the comments. 谢谢，再见。